Hi guys, here 18 minus this 3 power 2 is 9 minus 1 in bracket plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 power 2. Here 18 minus 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 power 2. Here 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 power 2. Here 10 plus 4 is 14 times 2 divided by 2 power 2. Here 14 times 2 is 28 divided by 2 power 2. Here 28 divided by 2 power 2 is 4. Here 28 divided by 4 is 7 is the wrong answer. Here as per this order of operations 7 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 18 minus, here bracket we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is subtraction. So we have to do this exponent before this subtraction. Here 3 power 2 is 9 minus 1 in bracket plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 power 2. Here 18 minus 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 power 2. The next priority is exponent. You have exponent here is 2 power 2. So 18 minus 8 plus 4 times 2 divided by 2 power 2 is 4. Here we have subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 4 times 2. We have to do this 4 times 2 before any other operation. So 18 minus 8 plus 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 4. Here we have subtraction, addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 18 minus 8 plus, here 8 divided by 4 is 2. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority, addition and subtraction. So we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12 is the correct answer.